so many. Hello, how are you? I have been shopping for kimono. I have a bit of an obsession. I have a cupboard full of kimono over there, but when I see something that I love, I just can't help but buy it. So this pile here is the new fabrics that I'm introducing into the shop. Some of it I'm going to sell as is, and some of it I'm going to make into accessories and jewellery. So I'm just going to briefly show you, and I'll show you some close-ups as well of the fabrics. So we have this gorgeous shibori, and it's kind of a stretchy one because it's such beautiful quality. It looks pink from a distance, but actually when you look up close, it's actually pink and white when you stretch it. And this is what you would use to put in your obi. This is so beautiful. I also got another one which was in bright red, and I got a collar which is all embroidered with cranes on it. It's absolutely stunning. So much work gone into this. I don't know whether it's hand embroidered or machine embroidered. I'll be able to tell from the back. Machine embroidered. Nevertheless, this is a stunning piece of fabric. So we have another one of those, but this time really large in navy. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm thinking of leaving this as is to use as a scarf. I might put it in my shop, I'm not sure yet. Watch this space. What else do I have? So these are fabrics from before. So I have, ooh, they're falling. This gorgeous Haori jacket, and these I am going to be selling as is. This is a purple shibori. It's absolutely beautiful. Considering each one of those has been hand tied and then dyed later, it's incredible. So this one is going to go in my shop at some point, or you can come and try it on in the studio. I have another one. This is another Haori, and the lining is so gorgeous on this one. It looks like ume, like a plum, and this is very subtle, but it's got some shading, and it maybe is, I think it's matsu, which is pine needles. Absolutely gorgeous. That's also going to be available as is. And I can't remember what I bought. I bought so much. So this one, also a Haori, I think. Yeah. This one feels so soft. I might keep this one. It's so nice. Can you see? It's really beautiful. It's really soft. Quite plain lining, quite an understated one, but it's also got a very cute Haori himo on it. Also will be available soon. Also another shibori number for people who like a more light colour. It's kind of aqua colour shibori. Again, hand tied. It looks grey from a distance, but actually it's kind of aqua coloured, and the lining is quite plain. Still stunning though. And then another one also looks like matsu leaves. Call them leaves, but actually they're needles, aren't they? And this one is also really soft and beautiful. They need steaming, so They've been in a pile for a while. There's a little bit of damage here and there, but still really lovely. And another shibori. I think I was on a shibori day that day. Shibori is a kind of Japanese tie-dye, but it's really, really detailed tie-dye. So each one of these designs is made by tying into a little circle. It's incredible how it's made. And this one has quite a simple plain cream lining. Right, this one is so fresh green, and it's so nice. You see? The design's gorgeous. And this lining is a kind of silk lining. There's a couple of marks here and there, but it's got a kind of design in the silk also. Right, now in this bag I have some beautiful things. I have a stunning obi belt. You see the gorgeous brocade? It's so stunning. I don't even use obi usually, but I saw it and thought, I have to have it. I have to have it. I'm actually not going to sell it like that. I'm going to make it into something. Hi, it's me again. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. I just want to say, if it's something you're into, please subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the notification bell, and then you can be alerted when I upload new bits and pieces. And then I have this is an under kimono, but it's so wild in colour that I just couldn't resist it. It's probably from a girl's kimono. Yeah, it's from a girl's kimono because it's really short. So I love these. It's probably from Shichigo-san, when a girl is 7 or 3 or a boy turns 5. Shichi is 7, Go is 5, and San is 3. And so this looks like it's for a taller girl, around probably 7. And it's so neon. It's amazing. I love a bit of neon. If you've been in my shop, you'll probably know that already. Okay, here we go. More gorgeous obi. This one looks like a kind of hawk. I'd love to know the birds. If you know the birds, please do let me know. And this one is it's decorative all the way. Look at that. It's just amazing. I can't wait to use it for something. They do have marks here and there, and that's why I can afford to buy these, because if you buy these new, they're millions of yen. Okay, another Haori. This is for the understated dresser. Probably what I would wear, coupled with something bright underneath it. But this is a black silk Haori. Very simple, with a design in the fabric, so that is stunning also. And I believe this might be bingata. Bingata is a fabric that comes from Okinawa. This has some marks here and there, so I'm not sure I'm going to sell this one yet. I might make something out of it. I'll just find the parts that are good and throw away the bits that have got marks on, but it's minimal. It's still really gorgeous. I would wear that too. maybe I'll keep them all. Okay, and the last one, sorry about the rustling, they just come out of the shopping bag, is another black Haori. So I haven't really sold Haori before as they are, but I do have some private sales coming up and I thought maybe I should buy some for that. And this one is absolutely stunning, really soft silk, gorgeous. If you'd like to pop into the shop in my studio, it's right behind me, then please do reach out and I'll tell you when I'm open. Or if you'd like a private viewing, you can come and arrange one. And just try on some of these Haori, because you really should try them on because the lengths vary. So come and try them on. See you soon.